Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rupaksar Academy, and today let's discuss about the downloading process of XAMPP and installation process of XAMPP, and also we're gonna discuss about how we can create the website inside the XAMPP program. After getting the web browser, we should write here Apache friend Apache friends .org. Sorry, I have already. So Apache friends org is the website where we can download the XAMPP program, and go to XAMPP for Windows. So after getting the software, you can click the download application. So it will be installed now. Then you can get this type of information. So you can click it OK. Then click it next. Again click it next. Again click it next, 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 and installation will be start. So after finishing the installation, go to start and select XAMPP control panel. So here we have a XAMPP control panel. Click it XAMPP control panel. So it is being already run, I think. So click it save. So XAMPP control panel is being run. So let's click it. And first of all, let's allow it. Okay, so let's go to web browser and let's get a new tab. We can write localhost to go on dashboard of XAMPP. If you want port on XAMPP control panel, you can write localhost is to 81 to go on XAMPP control panel dashboard, and you can change the port in different name, 81 double and vice versa. And thank you very much for watching my video for now.